Dang. Ugh.
Maybe we go later. I can if I'm done with the gym. You want it?
If you're done with the gym, you know.
I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen for you. Oh, hey guys. My name is Zero Day J, and welcome to the stream. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you guys are having a good fucking day. Fuck. Just don't mind me. What is this? Fucking stupid. Bear with me because I'm trying to grab another My Fund the Futures account that's making me log into my fucking app to verify my purchase. Why do you think I would need to buy another My Fund the Futures account? I'm just asking, guys. Yes, it's my fucking purchase. Yes. How do I say yes? Yes, it's mine, you fucking piece of shit. Thank you. Fuck. Anyway, thank you. Holy shit. I'm so fucking annoyed about that. Don't mind me. But whatever, I don't need to do it now. All right. All right. Did you guys know about Take Profit Trader? Fucking, you knew it was a matter of time. They had to do something. They had to do something. They're probably getting their shit pushed in with everybody else offering the same plans that they have now. Right? Think about it. So now, I'll show you in a second. You probably already know, but for starters, it's 50% off any size account, no activation fee. But instead of 5 days to pass, it's now 3 days to pass. 3 days to pass test accounts, evaluations. But it's only 3 days when you use my code, ZeroDayJ. 50% off, no activation fee, 3 days to pass with the best fucking code, ZeroDayJ. Anyway, damn. Let me turn on my screen sharing. I didn't even let the DCA gang know that I was live. Hold on a sec. Fuck. Anyway. And I did something stupid today, but it worked out. It could have been really bad. I could have been telling you something really fucking fucked up shit that you would have been, that you would have said, you get what you fucking deserve, because I would have said the same thing. I would have said the same shit. without a doubt. Anyway, I'll show you in a second. So, let me turn on my screen sharing. Let's see who the fuck is here. All right. Am I in everything? Let's start with this. This wasn't easy either. I'm going to show you what happened. This is my Tradeify funded growth account. I got 2 payouts. I need one more $150 a day, and I locked in $2,500, my third payout on the account. Awesome. Then I got $1,200 here on my select account that I lost a little bit of money on the other day, on Friday. So we're plus 700. We're looking pretty good there. But look, I'll show you where. And this fucking dump pissed me the fuck off. Let's get rid of all of this. So look, I literally get bottom ticked here. I get bottom ticked for a $1,400 loss. Let me show you. Look at that balance though, 4,687. What a fucking G. What a fucking G. All right, today. Where's the button? Fuck. Why is this shit not loading? Why is this being fucking stupid? Let's try this again. Come on, Tradeivay, stop being a little fucking cuck. All right, we'll leave that alone. I'll show you on the fucking chart. I was down, let's do the math. 250, 670, that's 920. And 500. 14, I was down over $1,400 fucking dollars. And what happens? I get fucking bottom tick. I knew this was going to happen. I fucking knew it. My take profit was a little bit higher. And what happened? Sure enough, it goes and blows right through my take profit. However, I fucking knew better. And I fucking jumped back in full port like a fucking degenerate. And I got my fucking $150 day. That's how it happened, of course. And what's funny is I tried to go short here. And my finger was on the button. I thought I was on the button, and I missed it. And I like clicked over here, and nothing happened. I was like, ugh. And it went down a little bit more. I was like, fuck it. I'll leave it. And it fucking dropped a bunch. Actually, it was up here. Up here, I tried to go short. And I fucking missed the button. I was like, where's the button? So, whatever. Payout's fucking locked. Another $2,500. Also, I finally got my payout that I requested on Friday. Well, it's processing. So $788 is on its way. Probably hit my bank account sometime today. I wasn't trying to rhyme on purpose. That's my third payout with the Lucid. So what do? Well, I'll show you that after. After I fucking did that with my Tradeify accounts, I go to my funded futures. And well, I can't show you because I don't have them anymore. I can in the Discord though. I guess the landscape is here. Fuck me. Here. Fucked myself. Hold on a second. Don't let the dogs out. Thank you. I just couldn't fucking control I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop going long. And it kept going down. It was right. It was during all this shit. All of this. It just kept, and I was green for a second. It just kept fucking, and I had my chances to get out and shit. I just kept losing. So I blew my funded Rapid account that was at the beginning of the day was at like 1,400 plus. It was at like 1,400 plus to start the day, and I had all my drawdown. And I blew it all. And then I blew my eval too. My evaluation. So we got a new one. And then after I did that, I was so fucking pissed. Fuck me. I was so fucking pissed. I was so pissed about blowing those My Fund the Futures accounts. One was an eval and one was a fucking funded account. Whatever. I just locked in $2,500. I shouldn't be that mad, but I was pissed. And then the next fucking thing I fucking do is I decided to trade my Lucid Live account, even though I was still waiting on my payout. The money didn't even get taken out of the account yet. The money wasn't even withdrawn from the account. I could have easily unpaid myself, but I didn't. You know why? Because Warren G. Buffett said it already. Who's the top 5 streamers in this fucking space? 0 Day J, 0 Day J, 0 Day J, 0 Day J, 0 Day J. Because I spit hot fire. But anyway, no, it could have been bad. I could have unpaid myself. I could have fucking had a meltdown and blown this account. But I didn't. And guess what? I'm going to take another $800. I'm going to request, I'm going to request $800. I'm going to request $808.90. That'll be my 4th payout on this live account. So today I will be getting 2,500 plus. Well, I'm not going to get it right away, but let's just say I do. 3308.90 times 0.9 because Tradeify has a 90-10 split. Lucid Live has a 90-10 split. I will be getting $2,978 today or whenever it comes, but I'll be requesting that much today. Actually, let's request it right fucking now. Right? I can request it right fucking now. Here we go. Request a payout. 809. Oh, 809. I'll just request 809 even. 809. I had some change left over from the last one. That's why it's not 808. 809 even. Peace. Done. There we go. Another fucking payout. Anyway. All right, let's moving right along. Is it going to bounce here? This just looks nasty. You know what's also interesting? I had this tan line drawn. No, not there. Look at this tan line. I should have known better. It kept rejecting off this tan line right here. Now, if I make the adjustment on this and go like this, we broke the tan line, but now we're back, we broke the tan line, but like if you keep extending it, like it could come down and test it down here, retest it down there. But also, let me show you something, guys. Look, the 786 again, we're still holding at the 786 level on the daily chart on the NQ. We bounced here. Here's the high, the all-time high. It took a while. That was from what? From June. It took us a while to get all the way down here. We bounced off of this key level here, this zone, right off the top of it. And then we popped, blew all the way through all of the golden pocket. And then we got here, we hit our head on the 786. And yeah, we wicked over it today, but look where we're at now. From the high a day, we're down how many points? 240 points. And the 786 is holding. Now, will it hold? It could come down. It might come down here and bounce off of this flag here, this trend line from the flag. Guys, that we broke. Who knows? But if it does, damn, that's another, let's say it happens here. That's another couple 100 points. 260, 270 points, guys. Anyway, let's see who's out here. We got Holy Earth, Vinny Lee, Olisa, Fallacy, Oscar, Just My Style, Gian Rich, Chris Daly. You know what's funny, Chris? I barely even drink alcohol at all. Vinny Lee, Joe Lopez. The last time I had alcohol, fuck. When was the last time I had a drink? It might have been when I saw Jack Boom. No joke. Did I have anything after that? I don't know. Joe Lopez. Yo, yeah. Yeah, we came a long way. Susan Brennan. Clint Vale. Well, you got your answer. Last night was awful good. I didn't even look at the charts last night. Marco, GB, Mob Barley, Investors, DBT, Bald Eagle, Bacon. Hey, where the fuck have you been like? I mean, where the fuck have you been at, Bacon? I appreciate you for supporting with the like, bro. Good to see you. I saw you in the Discord, too. Cranny P, Dips and Peaks. Cranny P, I saw that payout. Good shit. Tony Gold, Sean, Casalisk. Work Break Doobie. Hell yeah. You'll be back full time, no doubt, bro. Mob Barley, David Schneider. Yeah, I heard about Bullinox has some new accounts too. Just ain't right. Mwah, Jason. Josh, Take Profit Trader. Well, I told you. I think I said it already. Take Profit Trader. Look. You can now pass evaluations, test accounts in 3 days. And 50% off with no activation fee until August 24th. They might extend it. They are habitual sale extenders with the best fucking code 0 Day J. 3 days to fucking pass. That's awesome. That's awesome. What are we doing here? Yeah, that might not even be enough, Josh. Nayo, what's up? That might not even be enough. They need to fucking maybe add end of day on the pros account, on the pro accounts. NJ. Habitual payout enjoyer. Wiz, what up? Yeah, I was. I didn't. Apparently, I was able to buy more than one. But I bought one because I thought that was all I could buy because I only had one live account. And I passed it. And then, like, literally the next trading day, it was ready to go. It was ready to go. And then I was able to do this with it. I mean, what have I done with this account? I'll show you what I've done with this account. That's I just requested my fourth payout. So I requested 668 plus 756 plus 788 plus 809. I just requested, right? 3,021 before fees times 0.9. They actually, this isn't just a fee. This isn't just them paying me 10% less. They actually take a cut of this profit. They're actually making revenue off of me. They made $302 off of me. How cool is that? But a total of 2,718 is what I banked with this Lucid Live account. After blowing my first one, that was at 3,000 in profit, and I was just being a greedy fuck. And then since I got this account, I've traded it pretty good. I had one bad day. This is it. One red day, and this was a lot worse. I was able to get a lot of it back. But look, pretty fucking good, right? Not bad, guys. And what's funny is, like, I was long. I longed here. I like this area for a bounce. I love this area for a bounce. And after this, like right around here is when I ran to the store to get chicken for the dogs, to cook for the dogs. And of course, this happens, a 40-point pop. Of course! But we're good. We're good. We just keep it moving. iTrades. Yash. Trader J, full tilt. 69 days ago. What's my total profit? I don't know. Well, I think I'm up like 70 grand on the year, 70 to 80 grand on the year in profit. Payout wise, I'm close to like 140 for the year in payouts. I had those first 2 months that were absolutely insane where I did 86 grand in payouts and I probably spent, I don't know, I probably spent like 8 to 10 grand on accounts. So I was way ahead of the game. And then I fucking broke even in March. And then April, I definitely lost money. May was close. And then June and July and this month I'm profitable. So I'm probably up by like 70, between 70 and 80 grand on the year. I did have a cool down. Wiz, I had it might be a progressive cool down, but the first cool down I had with Lucid was 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Are we fucking bouncing here or what are we doing? Whatever. Fuck. What's funny, I was green in my evaluation that I blew, but I wanted 15 points and I couldn't even get more than 7 points. It was so fucking annoying. Desmond, what up? Yeah, Desmond, that's yeah. They use that as a reason why to do 50% off. So the big rule change is the 3 days instead of 5 days to pass. And to celebrate the change, it's 50% off. Any account is 50% off with the best fucking code 0DayJ. Cut, what up? Great job on the fucking payouts. Donzo. Oh, you lost your 5 live accounts on Thursday? Oh. Yeah, they should have sent you an email telling you about your cooldown. I got an email. Was that your first 5? Was that like your first batch? I hope you got some money out of them. Did you get money out of it? You should change your name. Change your fucking your username from Unprofitable Wiz to fucking Live Trader Wiz. Anthony Jr., what up? Day 5, 2,600 on your Apex. Nice. Fuck yeah. Way to get on the board. Thank you, Joel. Thank you. Oh, you were talking to Anthony Jr. Alfred, what up? You can buy them. Yeah, that you should be able to. Yeah, you could buy those max accounts. Day 1 live blow up. Well, you know what will happen if you might not be able to buy them. Just try to add one to the cart. It might not even let you. You should have got an email about your cooldown. The first cooldown is 2 weeks. The pro accounts without you know what sucks though about Lucid? You're on the same boat as me. Like you could never trade any of those accounts. Like Lucid has these $50 fucking flex accounts that are amazing. I'm not a huge fan of $1,000 of drawdown, but for $50, where is it? I mean, that's the pro. For $50 with a daily, if you choose the one with the daily loss limit option, $50. And you could get $1,000 payout. Get 5 accounts would be $250. You could potentially get $5,000 a fucking week every 5 days until they push you live. It's pretty fucking good. But I can't trade it. We can't trade any of that shit anymore. Me and you, Wiz. We're relegated to max, but that's fine because I'm just gonna get money no matter what. You see, guys. You see. Anyway, look how close this came to my take profit. Just another 2 points. I would have had it. Is it going to push there? I don't know. We'll see. We'll just say we'll see what happens. Thank you, Joe. Can we fucking get it? I'm so fucking pissed. Oh, look, it got even closer. Are you fucking serious right now? 6 ticks away. 6 fucking ticks. Gross. Couldn't have just give me 6 ticks. Had to be a little cuck. Had to be a little cuck. A cucky McCuckerson. There we go. It's gonna push through this time for sure, or not. Maybe not. Your 25K is at 69K bound. Jesus, bro. Those you know, Wiz, like it's not gonna matter. It's not gonna matter what account you traded with the max. You just got to pass them so you can get your live accounts back. You know what I mean? I don't think it matters unless you want to pay. Like those accounts are fucking mad money. Let's go buy an account. Add account. A 150K max is fucking. How much are they? I can't. Oh, $400. $400, bro. And you got to get 9,000. So you're gonna spend 2,000 to get live accounts that you got to grow. Do you have trouble passing 50Ks? Is that what it is? I mean, do what you got to do, bro. I'm just trying to save you money. If you're going to buy 5. I don't know if you're going to buy 5. Flexter Morgan, what up? Stacks, what's good? Faisal. Yeah, how hard can it be to get 6 fucking ticks? God damn it. Oh my God, how much closer did it get this time? 5 ticks. Oh, that might have been the same candle. Is it going to fucking give it up now because of that? Oh, my God. And I know it's going to happen. It's going to fucking drop lower. I'm going to get stopped out. Well, I'm not getting stopped out. This account's either going to blow or hit my take profit. But anyway, I want to be more responsible than that. I already did that once today. But, you know, it's going to fucking stop me out somewhere down here. And then it's going to fucking push and go right through my fucking take profit. It's going to bottom tick me. The 4,500. Yeah, I get it, bro. What up, Maximus? I get it. It's up to you, man. If you got, you know, you got money to blow. Let me see. Oh my God, just fucking do it already. This is what's been going on all fucking day. This fucking cuck shit. Here, like everywhere. Here. Yeah, look. Fucking stupid. U.S. officials offer to deduct only U.S. specific value from 15% tariffs on Canadian vehicles, but Canadian officials want all North American content deducted. U.S. corporate blue chip bond sale log record haul for August. Kushner, we are not there yet on understanding. Oh, Kushner's dealing with Iran. Cool. Trump will be patient on deal with Iran. Trump's not bluffing about 100% tariffs on the UK. Yeah, okay. Now, is that why we're fucking going down? Right 5 ticks before my fucking take profit? Oh, let's go. Come on. Please, Granny. Please. Oh. Balance has a bunch of new shit. Oh my God, just hit it already. God. That'll work. Right there is what I need. 15 points gives me 900. 30% consistency rule. Are you fucking serious right now? It just went over it and didn't hit it. Joe, that's fucking crazy. What the fuck? Thank you. Fucking piece of shit. We got it. We got it, guys. We got it, guys. I'll take it. That was torture, though. That was torture. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, I'm not in anymore, so it doesn't matter. I hate when motherfuckers listen. I'm cool with everybody until you give me a reason not to be cool with you. But why the fuck is someone hitting me up saying, yo, what's up? And I'm like, yo, how are you doing, bro? I'm like, what's up? Tell me what the fuck you're hitting me up for, please. Get to the fucking point. Josh, what up? Michael Gianos, what's good? Martin Correa, what's good? Nudes. The Bull and Ice 150K has $5,500 of drawdown. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the new shit? The new shit's only 45% off from what I'm seeing. They got these momentum accounts, momentum qualification. They got fast track accounts, guys. Are those like straight to funded? What's a second login session? What the fuck? I'm so confused. This price action is so fucking annoying. Look at these candles. They're so fucking ugh. So cringe, guys. They're so cringe. Alexander, what up? They want an autograph. I don't know. It's probably someone, Umar, what's good? Either it's someone who won a free account, which is great. Tell me you did so we could get to the point, so I could get you taken care of. Or it's someone that's going to try to sell me like coaching or some shit, pretending to be someone else. But I don't know. I don't know what it is. I have no idea because they've only sent me 3 messages and they haven't fucking asked me what they hit me up for. Tell me what you want. Does that make me an asshole? I'm not telling. I don't know who it is. Maybe they're watching the stream. Tim Morgan, what up? Felix. Just fucking tell me. Look at Tesla. Why? What happened with Tesla? The 1 minute. I don't really see anything other than it looks like shit. This is the hourly on Tesla. Looks like a bear flag. Anyway, see what the fuck is going on here. What else can we do? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. It's just weird. Chris Daly, what up? Did you really win an? If you did win a free account, I mean, just hit me up. Damn. All right, here's what we're gonna fucking do right fucking now. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Hold on, I'm gonna hide my screen. I'm gonna get another account with Traderify. Might as well try to grab a couple of more funded accounts before I put myself in a position where they're gonna push me live. Right? Right. Do I want a growth or do I want a fucking a select? Let's get a fucking growth. I already have a select. I don't know. I feel like I should grab a fucking one of each, but whatever. No, I am not a robot. I am not a robot. I am not a robot. I want to show you what I got. Well, I want to show you this account. You got this fucking calendar is beautiful. Look at this calendar. Except for this one, and then I did 262. What am I at today? 258.92. I'm gonna grab some take profit traders also, but I'm gonna wait till the next session. Oh, there it is. There it is. I feel like this. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I feel like we're gonna pump. I mean, all of that, like all of this cuck and bullshit for 30 points from here. Well, let me show you this calendar. Last month, this is when I got the account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a payout here. Working on my second payout. I had a great first day, and then I fucking almost killed the account here. I think the DLL saved me from myself. But I was down to like $340 or $314 of drawdown when this happened. And that's how the month ended. And it was a Friday. Awful. Awful. And then we did this. We did this. I mean, I'm green every day, including today, since then. Nice job. Pat myself on the back. Thank you. And I'm about to get my third payout with this account. Where is it? So I got 1,500, 2,000. I'm going to request 2,500 today. As soon as it lets me. Yeah, fuck me, bro. Imagine it drops. I don't think it will, but you never know. You never know, chat. Robin Trades had a decent day today, so sharing some love. I appreciate it. Thank you, Robin. Great job. Oh, Chris, all good, man. Great. Thank you, Robin. Thank you. Great job. Great job. And thank you. Marcin. 59. Yeah, now entertainers. Look, see? Little fake out to the upside, and then it went down. Now it doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. I don't know. Joel P. Yeah, it's nice. 50% off. Compile this. Yeah, I know. Compile this. I'm aware. Montclair in the house. What's up, Simplistic? Benny. Bro, I know, bro. It was so... Oh, dude, the worst. The worst. Of course it would go that way, though. Of course it would go that way. It couldn't just... I couldn't just get filled in the short. I missed a button. And then if... and then, of course, it would have been so much easier that way. And then I go against that. Get in trouble. 2,500. It's going to be this Tradeify growth right here. I just needed another $150 day. We bouncing here or are we going lower? Right there. Am I in the right account? Yeah, because I locked myself out of the other accounts. I'm locked out. They won't let me trade. I'm out. So this is the only one. Will it come down here to fill me? I don't know. But we're going to full port and see if we could play some fucking pass or smash. Because you could pass the growth accounts in one day. Pika na Sharika. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting close, chat. Nice drop, though. Shit. How many points is that? 23 points. What would I have needed? 83,000 divided by 80. 38 points to get it in one day. You're going to try to go live with Top Step? I mean, by the time they push you live, you probably would have gotten a nice amount of payouts. I mean, at some point, like the better we get at trading, it's inevitable that some of these firms are going to push us live. You got to treat those accounts with more respect, though. You definitely know. I mean, I'm guilty of it. Like I'm guilty of blowing accounts. I've blown every live account I've had until except for this one so far. And one of them, like actually I got payouts on all of them except for my first Lucid. Oh shit! Time to pay attention. What do I need? 92 and 38. That's 30. You think we get here? I don't know, man. That's asking for a lot. But you never know. We'll see what this 54-minute candle gives us. And then obviously the 55-minute candle. Yeah, the issue is when you're live, if you keep displaying that type of behavior or that type of style of trading, they're gonna say we don't want to trade. You're no longer welcome to trade with us anymore. Especially with Lucid, like this, I don't know how many times they're gonna let us blow live accounts. Maybe 2 or 3. I don't know. I don't want to find out. Carlos, what up? You fucker. That's not what I wanted to happen. How many points did I have here? I had 14 points. Why couldn't it go up? Why couldn't it come back up? Why couldn't it go further up? Any other time it would have. If I wasn't in, it would have. Oh my God. Well, I guess this is gonna get cooked. Any other time it would have fucking. Oh, I'm gonna hit the daily loss limit. Any other fucking time it would have kept going up. There must have been fucking news. U.S. corporate. Oh, that was new. U.S. officials offered to deduct only U.S. We already talked about that. Yeah, fucking stupid. Are we going to make new lows? Is that what we're doing? I mean, look at that rejection. There's your 38 points. 23, 43 points. All I had to do was just short from here. Of course. Where's the daily loss limit? I guess it's. Oh, there we go. It wanted to lose even more money. Oh, well. I full ported, obviously. That was stupid. I don't care. One-stop trader. Yeah. Yeah. So stupid. So stupid. Whatever. I still have the account. What do I want to get now? It's what I get for trying to add accounts. What a drop, though. Look at the fib. Almost a 786 from this high, this low, 707 rejection. So far, 50 points, 50 plus points. TJP, what's good? Sanyel. Did I hear any bad things about Funded Next? No. The only thing I didn't like about them at first was that they came from the fucking Forex space. Of course. Now it's going to pop. I can't get an account fast enough. I almost got bottom ticked. Let's see where I got taken out. Oh, let's see where I got taken out at. Not quite the bottom, but low enough. 76. It went down 10 more points, and now watch. Here's my entry. It's gonna pump. It's gonna fucking pump. Always. There it goes. Where's my entry? There's my entry. So fucking predictable. Let me see something. I went lower. Look. All right, I'd be green right now. I mean, I was green by this much, and then it fucking dumped on the 54-minute candle, and then the 55-minute candle. Look, this is my entry right here. So funny. Oh well, I still have the account. I mean, I could pass it tomorrow. Probably shouldn't fuck with this Lucid, but man, I'd be right. 74. I just missed that. I was hoping it would come down and tag it and then go higher, but it went up fucking 30 fucking points. 30 fucking points. Trading power hour is fucking hard, man. What? What the fuck? I'm trying to fucking look at something and it's on my other computer. There we go. $501, $117. So tempted. Probably should stay away from that. Especially since I requested a payout. I mean, shit, this dog shit trader, 2,500 plus 809 plus, what did I just get? $788. Just that's being processed right now. 4,100 before fees since Friday. Time 4097 times 0.9. $3,687 between Friday and today. Pretty good. You know how fucking hard people got to work to get that money? And I did it in 2 days of fucking trading, pressing buttons. It's crazy. We got to put that into perspective, guys. It takes most people a whole month to get that much money of busting their fucking ass 40, 50 hours a week or longer. Gross. One sec. I think I need more coffee. So tempting. Ooh. Came back down. It just doesn't want to go up. I mean, this is a fucking flag. This is a bear flag if I've ever seen one. Let me draw a happy little fucking tan line here. I mean, it could fucking come way down here potentially. I don't fucking know. Let's look at the hourly on the fucking NQ. Look at that 786 holding though. Look at that 786. You see that? Just hanging there. Down almost 300 points from the high a day, which is a little bit high. Like we wicked over the 786. But this is a 786 on the daily, guys. I just wanted to see what we were looking at on the hourly. Let me go to the 4 hour. In terms of like potential targets further down. So if I were to draw like here or here, that wick, we got a ways to go. If that's where we're going, if that's where we're headed, we got a ways to go. All right. I got some trade day accounts. Look, it just wants to keep fucking going lower. Elevated Life, what up? JP. Yeah, I don't really hear anything bad about them. Sanyel. They're like on my short list of prop firms to try, but I got my hands full with all the ones I'm already trading with. They would be, if I were to try another prop firm, they would probably be next in line. Harmonized Cacophony. They're just fantastic. Francisco, what's up? Marcos. Am I getting any new Bolanos plans? I tried to look and see what the deals were, but I didn't really see anything special. The best deals are still the original accounts. U.S. 30-year bond yield reaches the highest level in over 19 years. Is that why we're dropping? Mike, what up? You see, guys? You fucking see, guys? Managed groups. You see, guys? Does it reject off of this right here? This and this? Or we keep pushing? Whatever. Oh, shit. I don't. Fuck it. Not the best spot to get in, but we'll see what happens. Nope. I literally said, does it reject here? And what's it doing? Rejecting there. I do like that we had this higher low. We'll see. I don't even know. I don't even care. Guess what? It doesn't matter what happens with these accounts. I'm requesting and we'll get paid $2,500, and I requested $800 already. Another $800 on my live Lucid account. I'm just fucking around with these accounts. We'll see if I could get 9 fucking points. You see, guys? Uh-oh. This shit's holding here. This and this and this. We'll see how if it holds like in a bigly way. I hope not. I hope it comes to the next level of dog shit fucking cuck. That'd be cool. right, let's go get more coffee. Oh, check this out. I put these mirrors up in the gym yesterday. Had to have my wife and one of my daughters hold the mirrors up while I got the top racket. Is this shit still holding though? Hope so. Yeah, it's in there pretty good. I did that with my bare hands, and then I did this. I fucking wallpapered that shit and put those floating shelves up. All by myself. My wife wanted like a little shrine of our fucking marriage or something. She wanted a picture. We didn't really have any pictures of us up except for like one. So she wanted something cool for that. It's not really my thing being like handy around the house, but I am capable. I am capable, guys. Oh, hey, Jordan. I'm proud of that work I did, so I wanted to show it off. Is this going to hit? Is this going to hit? Yes, no? Oh, come on, baby. This wick and this wick and these wicks, like this next level of shit, I feel like it's going to push to, which is perfect because my take profit is just below that stuff. But we'll see. That might be the end of the road right there. Who knows? And I'm dealing with intraday drawdown. These are intraday trailing accounts. They're $59 with the best code 0DayJ. $59 to make them holla. They're the quick pay accounts. You can't go out there, Luna. Sorry. You gotta wait. The landscapes are here, yo. I guess that's as high as it wants to go. Fucking bullshit. Whoops. I was up as much as $535. We'll see. No. Good job, bro. Dude, this has been doing this. This isn't just like a after-hour thing. It's been moving like this all day since I started trading. I think I started trading around 11 a.m. It's been like this all day with this bullshit slow-ass movement. I guess that's it. I guess that's all I wanted to do. Fucking garbage. Garbage price action. iTrade. Is there a amount of accounts? You're there? No, you can buy as many as you want. Don Burberry, what up? Yeah, it just ain't right. It's really bad. Mob Barley. Yeah, see, look, I mean, it gave back that whole shit. Now I have fucking no drawdown. So stupid. Maybe one day I'll just be like, let me lock in games, but why couldn't it just give me these fucking extra points? Guys, it's so much to ask for. 3 more fucking points. Whatever. All day, Enzo, for real. All fucking day. iTrade, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's the best fucking code. Look at this shit. Amazing. Cool. I'll just get new ones. I guess I should have just been happy with $500. But like, whatever. It's just fucking annoying. This price action is dog shit. It's all right. I'm requesting a payout as soon as they let me. $2,500 there. I already requested $809 there at my Lucid Live. It's my 4th payout on that Lucid Live account. And then we'll just fucking take it from there. Enzo. Yeah, I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you. Don't blame you one bit. Oh my God. But I would like to not fucking be blowing accounts left and right. I did that today. Well, not left and right. I blew 2 of my funded futures accounts. One of them was a funded account. That was up. That was at $1,400 in profit. And then these will be some cheap fucking trade day accounts once these blow, if they blow, which they probably will. But I knew this was going to happen. I literally said it. I called it. And I just said, fuck it. Listen, it's not too much to ask for. As long as I don't do dumb shit like this with my funded accounts, even though I kind of did today with my funded futures account, it just kept dropping. Payouts are payouts. It makes listen, it makes this doing shit like this, okay. It doesn't make it great, but it offsets it, right? It's just stupid. I would like to blow less accounts than I do. I still blow more accounts than I want to. I'm getting better every day. Every day in every way. I just have no fucking, I don't know, I just have no fucking tolerance and patience for fucking evals. But I know it's a part of the game because I'm not paying for fucking straight to funded accounts. Compile this. Who? Take Profit Trader? Trade Day? Armando, what's good? Yeah, payouts are, that's the other thing. It's like $4,000 worth of payouts before fees. 4,100. It was 4,097 since fucking Friday. And then for the month, what am I at? It doesn't, oh, here we go. 2,000. $2,000 plus 2,500 plus 788 plus 756 plus 809 plus 668. 6921 times 0.9. 6228.90 is where I'm at so far this month. I'll take it. That's great. Yeah, some people are already at fucking 20 grand this month, or 50, or 100, or 10. I don't care. I'm not competing against them. I'm happy for them. This is where I'm at, and I'm happy with it. Could it be more? Absolutely. Of course, it could always be more, but it isn't. That's what it is. Trade Day? Yeah. Trade Day does it. They're not the only ones, though. Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button. You got $85 on your live account today. Is that like your personal account, or is it like a live account with a firm? Because $85 is $85. Cranny, these nuts. Yeah, Nathaniel. Yeah. That's fine. You could only act like a full-blown degenerate for so long with these firms. They're not the only ones. They're not the first. They're not the only ones. It won't be the last. Yeah, Trevor LeConte's right here. He's here. A Lucid Live. Yeah. Bro, $85. Hey, it's better than losing 850, right? Or some shit like that. Yeah, a 200 level on what time frame? You know, like you hit the 200 moving average on a larger time frame, like it could fuck around a lot before before the move finally happens. I think my fund the future plans are great. Again, here we go again. This fucking shit. Right now, if I were to tell, it depends on what your goals are. The rapid end of day are the plans you want. The end of day on the funded side rapid plans, I think, are the best ones that they offer. The builders are nice too. The builders are nice. You could get paid those, and the regular rapids you could get paid the fastest on. But the regular rapids have intraday trailing on the funded side. The funded, the end of they have end of day funded rapids. Those are the ones you want. I think the pro account's good if you want a side project because you can only get paid once every 2 weeks. Cranny, I've been affiliated with them. I've been trading with them on and off, bro. 0 Day J works. You'll get 20% off. Maybe as much as 50% off. You might even get 50% off. I'm not sure though. Anywhere from 20 to 50%. It depends on the account. And I appreciate that. Thank you. It's the best fucking code. Lowest volume day in 10 years. Yeah, it moved like fucking shit today, bro. Missed by 2 fucking points. That's the worst. But then, like, bro, Borangua, like just now, I was sure I was up 500. I was up $535 right here. But I was being stubborn about my take profit. That was 3 points away. And now look where my accounts are at. They're kind of fucked up. This PA is pissing me off. This price action is so fucking annoying. Crazy. Lowest volume day in 10 years, guys. I mean, it is the summer. What's my usual profit target for 50K funded accounts? I don't know. It depends. I'm a more of a play it by ear type of in terms of where I'm at. But like it depends. If there's this consistency rule, you got to keep that in mind. Like with the Tradeify accounts, Tradeify growth accounts have a 35% consistency rule. So if I go to the account, this is the funded account. These are the day. Well, this day, this day, Friday, and today I only needed $150. So I was going for the bare minimum. So I got 173 and I got 258. I got a little more than I needed. I got $100 more than I needed. But look at these days I have. It just depends on the consistency rule and where I need to go. Day traders are back to school, guys. That's just fucking shit, man. Like, this fucking shit is not even moving. U.S. open account capital flows 2026 report. China's U.S. Treasury securities holdings $633 billion in June versus $659 in May. Japan's U.S. Treasury holdings. U.S. officials, yeah, whatever. Ms. Goody. John Q. People in prison. You like Lucid Pros more than Lucid Flex? It just depends. It depends on what you want. Don Burberry. Yeah, resets on a 150K eval did go up. It might be cheaper to just grab a new one for 50% off with the best code 0DayJ. NVIDIA earnings next week? Yeah, probably. What else is going on this week? Anything else? Oh, damn. By the way, here's the other thing too, Don Burberry. If you reset an existing evaluation with fucking Take Profit Trader, it will still take 5 days minimum to pass. Any new accounts you buy from today on is only 3 days to pass. And they're 50% off with no activation fee with the best code. This code right here, 0DayJ. Let's see what's going on in the new weekly news outlook. Not much this week. Holy shit. Earnings. We got Jack Henry. Yo, be ready for Toll Brothers earnings tomorrow, guys, after the close. Home Depot and before the open. Nothing really. Bill.com. Nordson. Ross. Ross is going to be the one that moves the NQ. Yeah, there's nothing really crazy going on this week. Lowe's on Wednesday before the open. Target. What's going on with this shit? Casa Lisk. I don't know what 22 SD USD is. TUT USD. What is it? It depends on the plan, Casa Lisk. I think it's 40% off pro accounts. I think it's only 40% off pro accounts. And it might be for like X amount of uses. I forgot. Let me see if I have a coupon that I fucking popped in here. This is it. It might just be for the pro. I don't know if you haven't. Valid through. Oh, this this ended in July. It might only be 30% off shit. I don't know. I can't. Let me see what if I can see my vault. What I can see in my vault. Oh, the Lucid Dailies. Oh, I wish I could grab this. Maybe you could get 40% off a Lucid. I gotta look. Let's see. Does my code get you 40% off a Lucid Daily? Bro, Lucid Dailies. Lucid 50K Lucid Dailies, if you go with intraday trailing and a daily loss limit, are fucking cheap. It's intraday trailing on the funded side no matter what. I was just looking at it on the other site. On my other computer, I mean. Oh, it works? 40% off, 40% off, huh? I gotta tell ChatGPT to fix that. I'll fucking do it later. 5 uses total. This doesn't work for me. All I could grab is a max account. I can't even buy anything because I'm live. My code works, baby. 40% off Lucid Dailies. I gotta fix some shit. You see, guys? Boom. All right, cool. While we wait for anything to happen here, can I just get 9 fucking points? Hey, Jake, if the landscape is left, like if their truck is out, if it's not in the front of the house anymore, can you let Luna out? I think she has to go out. Thank you. Crude new high. Oh. Damn, look at crude go. Let's see what crude's doing on. Let's see if I can find some. Oh, wow. Let's go to the daily. All right, I'm going to draw some happy little Fibonacci's here on crude. I like trading crude. I just haven't messed with it because like it's kind of been like it died out. All right, so you got this low, this high. Oh, look where we bounced off the 707. And now, also, if I draw a fib from this high to this low, look where we rejected off of the 707. You see, guys? Let me draw a fib from this high to this low, and let's see what we're approaching. We're approaching the 618. This high might have more room to go, but it's so fucking dependent on the shit going on in the Middle East. It's kind of, I don't want to say it's null and void because I've seen so many times different type of news will be released right around key levels. It's always, I've seen it happen so many times. Tuan on. Yeah. Is that yeah, I would say so, compile this. I could be wrong. But I think he is. Kosolisk, I don't know. I think they're just trying to, I don't know. They're not the first firm to do it. They just part ways with traders that they don't think are conducive for the growth of their firm. I don't know, man. And Shari, thank you for using it. I appreciate it. Stephen Cox, what up? Oh, you're about to pick up some flexes. Yeah, it's 30% off everything else. It's 40% off the dailies now. I just became aware of that too. Coach Fred. Oh, Lisa. What do I think of the new Bolanos accounts? I think they're cool. I just don't. I couldn't see how to fucking. They revamped their whole site. Let's see. Qualification. That's the original accounts. Fast Track Trader. What is the prices? Accounts and pricing. Here we go. It doesn't so. Here we go. Choose a risk model. All right. What is this? What did I pick? I don't even know what I fucking picked. Oh, qualification. Fast Track Trader. Oh, they have straight to funded accounts now. And then the momentum. These are what? Let's see. 143 times 0.45 minus 64. $79. No activation fee. Yo. All in. $78 all in CTA. Just like every other firm. All of the firms. What'd they say? I'm talking to Bullinox right now. What's going on in this fucking trade? Probably nothing. Oh, look, this shit's about to blow. Of course, it fucking gave it up. Sweet. Cool. Doesn't matter. I'm still getting a payout. So right now, the new accounts. The new Bullinox accounts are 45% off. Look, they went with the $1,000 drawdown too. The qualifications of the original ones, these are still 89% off. The fast track is straight to funded. I think they're 45% off. 48 times 0.45. $219 all in. Oh wait, that's minus 219. My bad. $269 for a straight to funded 50K. I'd rather fucking buy cheap option ones. But this is like the newer shit. Well, the fast track is newer also, but it's the same price for end of day as intraday. Oh my God. You could get a 50K intraday Bullinox for $78 with my code. I think. Let me see. Well, fuck me, man. If you put in code, I'm trying to get 0 Day J to work, but of course it's a shit show. If you put in code J45, you could get 45% off of any of these plans, any of the new plans. End of day, intraday, it doesn't matter. 45% off. $78 all in, no activation fee. They do have a daily loss limit. Oh, look at this drawdown. $2,250 instead of $2,500, but it's still better than $2,000 with most other firms. $5,500 on a 150K. Up. I guess I blew these accounts. Oh, well. Whatever. I don't even fucking care. I'm getting paid. I'll just reset these and we'll try again. I'm sure now it's going to fucking pop, though. I'm fucking seriously tired of this fucking price action, though. I was fucking 3 points away. 3 fucking points away. I'm not even paying attention to this shit. Of course, though, look, I get bottom ticked for the most part, and then it goes up. It's okay. I'm getting 2,500 plus 809 today. 3,309. I just got fucking 701. Is that what it was? Or 7 something? What did I get after fucking fees? 788. 788 times 0.90. 709. Sorry. 709, guys. and I requested 809. Like as soon as this shit flipped to processing and they took the money out of the account, I was able to request another payout, which I did. I forgot to take the screenshot though. Fuck me. I hate trading this slow fucking shit. It's awful. In a little while, my code 0DayJ should work on any Bullinox account at any time. Just waiting for them to fucking do that for me. They just said that they changed the shit around that they can. Oh. Let's look back. Now I could fucking focus on this shit. What's the funded? I don't know what the rules are on the funded side. It doesn't say. But damn, $5,500 a drawdown. $358 times 0.45. Less than $200 for $5,500 a drawdown. That's an interesting account. I don't know what the momentum. You can have as many as 5 funded accounts at the same time. Oh, they went first 10,000 is 100% yours. After that, it's 90-10 split. Consistency rule. Fast track momentum. Oh, here we go. 35% consistency rule on the momentum account. Payout eligibility. Qualifying profitable days. Look, every firm is the same now. 5 days of $150 or more on a 50K. Same shit. They're all the same. Every firm is the fucking same now, guys. 5 days don't have to be consecutive. Minimum balance to request. Oh, wow. You just need $1,000. How much do you get? What do you get? Half of that? Oh, oh, wow. They have it progressive. Does this look familiar, guys? They all look the same. Oh, and apparently my code will work on any fucking account now. If you put in code 0DayJ, it will work on any account. Let's see. Let's try it out. Let's do end of day. Momentum. Let's pretend we're going to get a 150K. Where's the price? I mean, it got accepted, but it didn't change the fucking price. Let me try doing this way. There we go. Straight to funded 25K, $186. Where's the momentum? Option 2, 50K, end of day, should be $78. There it is, 78.65. Okay. Where's the 150K? 150K should be 197 or something like that. Well, yeah, 197. There it is. Pretty good. It's just like every other. They're all the same now. They're all the fucking same. They're all the same. At least Bullinox finally decided to fucking, update their shit. Oh, look, it fucking it fucking bounced. I got shaken out here and look where it went. Of course. Look where it went. It fucking popped. I mean, I still would have been red. Actually, that would have been like break even, but that's whatever. I don't even fucking care. We'll try again tomorrow. I'm getting paid on this one. I'm getting paid $2,500. This one's looking good in terms of where it's at. This is a select evaluation. I'm getting another 809 coming. I guess it'll come tomorrow on my Lucid Live account. I fucked up my Fund the Futures account, but I got a new one up, $900, a new Rapid. It's just crazy how all of these firms, they're all the same. Josh, what up? 0 Day J works. 0 Day J will work on any plan, any type of plan, any size, all the time now. It works no matter what. 0 Day J, everything works. They only have Rhythmic. I use trading things to tap into it. Romeo, what's up? This is just fucking torturous type of price action. Fucking kill me. Kill me. It was like this all day, though. That's the thing. All fucking day. See, I could do this, too. But it doesn't matter. Whatever. You got to reach out to Marcos. You got to reach out to support and ask them. There's usually an option on that support desk. If you go to submit a new ticket, watch. Now it's going to fucking pump. Anyway, watch. You go to submit a new ticket, and then there's this option, request to switch Project X to Rhythmic. And then they're going to ask you, they're going to confirm with you. They're going to ask you to confirm, and then you say, yes, I confirm, and then they do it. Oh. Due to limitations of our system, the same coupon code cannot be applied to different products with different discount percentages at the same time yet. Although we're actively working on resolving that. Let us know. All right, thank you. Sounds good. Thank you. Sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you. I'll just get the same discount as they offer, I guess. I don't know. If you want to get 89% off the original products, the qualification accounts with intraday trailing, option 1, and pay $165 all in potentially, you could use code J89. But I don't recommend you do that. You're better off buying the same plan that everybody else has now. Yeah, JC, I heard about that. You wouldn't believe who's fucking buying the Lakers. Jared Kushner's brother. What a surprise. Yeah, Marcos, no problem, bro. All right, guys. I gotta bounce. A lot of shit. Look at this shit. Now it's gonna pop. A lot of shit going on. Take Profit Trader went from 5 days to 3 days to pass on any accounts you purchase from, starting today. Not resets though. You're better off buying new accounts and canceling your existing subscriptions, especially now because they're 50% off with no activation fee until the 24th. Lucid Dailies are 40% off with my code. Bullinox has all types of new plans. Go with I think the momentum's the one you want to do. Unless you want to go fucking straight to funded. The momentum's the one you want. Intraday and end of day are the same price right now. 50Ks are $78. 150Ks are $197. You get $5,500 of drawdown, which is insane. With my code 0DayJ. 45% off all that shit. If you want to get a regular old school account, they're still 89% off with the code J89, but I don't recommend them now. They're not that good. Depending on what your pass rate is. That all depends. But now Bullinox is just like everybody else. Apex did it, and now Bullinox did it. Everybody's the same for the most part. Anyway, what else is going on? My Fund the Futures, 20% off. I think those new Rapids, 20% off a bunch of shit. I got to look, though. Let's see. Promotions. I don't even know what the fuck this is. 40% off builders. I don't know. Like builder 30% off here, 40% off here. I don't know what any of this shit is. No expiration. If you put in my code 0DayJ, you'll save anywhere from 20 to 50% on accounts with the best fucking code. 0DayJ. Apex, I think, is 90% off the new plans. I don't think you could buy legacies anymore, which is unfortunate, but maybe they'll bring them back again. You could buy resets of legacies if you want. Is the straight to funded on Bullinox 35% consistency? That's a good question. Fast track. I don't know. I got to look. Where's the FAQ? I was on the FAQ. Let's see. Fast track. Consistency rule. It scales. 20% for the first payout, 25% for the second, and 30 from the third and on. That's pretty cool. At least it changes. But most straight to funded accounts, if not all of them, are 20% off. 20% consistency. All of them that I've seen. I've never seen this. But I never really looked too deeply into them because I don't fuck with them. I don't think it's worth the money. But anyway, pretty cool. They kind of had to fucking come back into 2026. Now they need Tradeovate. But they're good. I never had an issue getting paid by them. Never had a fucking payout issue. Never have. Look at this shit go. It would have been cut off anyway. But look, and now it's fucking popping. Shit is so fucking stupid. Anyway. Yeah, Jose. Of course isn't. Yeah, of course we had a nice 20-point pop. Of course. Now we do. Thoughts on Take Profit Trader? Still my favorite. Still number one for me. Now they're 3 days to pass instead of 5. And it's 50% off and no activation fee. At some point, they might have to go with intraday with end of day trailing on their funded accounts. Because now there's a bunch of other firms that have daily payout plans. 3 good ones. Tradeify has a daily payout plan. Lucid has a daily payout plan. And My Fund the Futures has daily payout plans. So, Oh, and Funded Next. There's other firms that do. So they're going to have to find different ways to differentiate themselves if they can't afford to go to end of day on their funded accounts. But I love Take Profit Trader. I'm going to grab, I had 525Ks that were over the fucking buffer on Thursday or Friday, and I fucked it up. So when I fuck up that bad, I make myself, I put myself in timeout with that firm for a little bit. So I'm in timeout with Take Profit Trader. But I'm going to definitely take advantage of this 50% off and grab some new accounts. For 50% off with no activation fee. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I got to bounce. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, Robin Trades, for hitting the super chat. I will put that towards the next giveaway for sure. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I'll be on every single day for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. I'll be on tomorrow. And I will see you next time, all right? I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again. Peace.